Hey everybody, we had a vendor event today that we had a lot of fun at, and it got me thinking about all the different ways that you could break up Young Living Starter Kit to be a gift for multiple people. So I thought I'd throw on my festive elf hat that one of our dogs ate the pom-pom off of. I'm stealing this from Jared because this is his Christmas hat that he wears all the time, which technically he stole from me. But I thought I'd just throw it on to be festive and give you some ideas of how you could split up our starter kit to be a gift for multiple people. So first off, our starter kit always comes with a diffuser, so you can choose someone who's been very, very good this year to get that, or you could keep it for yourself. That would totally be up to you whether you wanted to give that away or keep it. Personally, I would probably have a hard time giving that away because I love our diffusers. But there's 12 oils that come in our kit, so I've paired them up in 6 different ways so that everybody gets 2 different oils. So these are really actually hard to grab 2 at a time with one hand. But here we go. So for the friend who may always be complaining about like tummy problems, Digize and peppermint are amazing for soothing the stomach, or maybe for the friend who gets like struggles with feeling icky in the car. These 2 are amazing. And then for the friend who just really needs an emotional pick-me-up, Valor and Citrus Fresh are so great for that. Valor is all about courage, rubbing that over your heart and on your feet, even just before bed or before going out somewhere. Citrus Fresh is just bright and cheerful. Citrus oils are great for the emotions, so that's an option of a way to break that up. And then also, y'all can't see that because I can't turn my hand that way. I'm not the most coordinated. Thieves and frankincense for the friend who's always feeling under the weather. These are amazing for promoting wellness. So you can rub these on your feet and on your spine. Great for that. And then for the friend who you just kind of don't know what to get for them, these are some great oils that are super simple. Lavender is good for everything: sleep, skin, hair, nails, emotions. They can just diffuse it because it smells good. Lemon is bright and cheerful. You can use our vitality oils in like drinks or desserts. Jared and I like to use it in cheesecake. So there's lots of different ways that that someone you just don't know what to get for them could use that for. And then for the friend who just like always has a bodily complaint of some sort, Raven and Panaway are great. Raven is all about the respiratory system. Panaway is all about relieving tension and discomfort. So both of those would be wonderful to pair together for someone that, you know, just tends to struggle with random physical things. And then for that friend who just needs to take a chill pill, whether that's a mama friend who's really busy chasing littles or a friend who tends to be a little more high strung, Peace and Calming and Stress Away are 2 amazing oils for just helping clear your mind, calm you down, get you to sleep, whatever that person may need. So that's 6 ways you can break up the starter kit. And one little bonus idea here, Young Living has what we call a basic kit. So this is $35. You get the entire membership with Young Living. So all of the membership perks, prices, access to our loyalty program, the whole 9 yards. But this little kit is really cool, and I'm going to flip my camera around so you can see it. So this comes with our Thieves hand sanitizer, Thieves mints, Stress Away, a roller fitment that snaps onto the bottle, which the large starter kit comes with 2 of those, and then 2 packets of our Ningxia Red, which the starter kit comes with as well, so you could even give these to another friend, which would make it like 7 gifts out of the starter kit. So cool. But this is the basic kit. It's all $35. And like I said, you get that membership with Young Living. So even this little starter kit or little basic kit, you could break up into a few different gifts. You could give the Thieves hand sanitizer and mints to someone. You could give the Ningxia packets to someone else. You could give the Stress Away with the roller top to somebody else. Lots of cost-effective ways to do that. And then anytime you get either one of these kits, you personally will get the lifetime membership with Young Living and can order anything else you'd like from the company at membership. price. So I hope that that was fun and helpful. I just wanted to hop on and share that while I was thinking about it since we were out today. And I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. And Christmas is coming! Yay! I'm just really excited about that.